Here I have CAT S61, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So firstly, you have to open your phone application, then you have to enter the contacts, select contact which you want to add photo, then tap edit contact, then you have to tap on the camera icon to add photo to it, then you have an option to take photo or just select photo from the gallery. Then you have to select photo, here you can adjust it, and then just tap done, save, and after that image will be added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.